entrance. This is the garden of the second house.
Now, underneath here could very well be
Kitchen or
the
any
kitchen,
provision.
the kitchen.
Yeah.
And there could be stairs coming through here.
Yeah.
No problem.
We can build another room for this area.
Yes, exactly. Underneath the parking.
Above is the garden.
Is the
Can be
parking.
converted in parking.
Above is the parking.
Yeah, can be converted into parking area.
Just
yeah.
like we have at the other house.
Mm-hmm. This is the entrance hall.
Now there's pockets of room.
Kitchen.
There's a room there.
To sink.
And there's a toilet here.
Then this one.
This is a bedroom.
Another bedroom.
And another bedroom.
It could be the service.
This is the service or the toilet.
Yeah, there.
Going out to the garden. And another storeroom at the other side of the door.
You see the way the bathroom is? We could very easily have another one there. Very inexpensive.
Oh. Another garden here. Can be converted to another room. This is space.
Ay, dalawa ang ano pala dun, no?
2 bedroom at the entrance. And 2 sink. What is this?
This is could be closed. This is another area, the parking, and it has a lot of entertainment that could be done there.
At the top.
Well, yes, you have to see it from the street.
Sa direksyon, ito yung kanilang... Dami pala dito.
Oo. Dami.
Oo.
Ay, bukas pala to.
Sige, buksan natin yung sila para ano.
Did you want to go on the roof now?
Yes, so we're going to go upstairs. Downstairs. Kanina pa rin yun, June?
Oo. Yan.
Ito,
Another garden at the back of the house. No. Not included.
Not included.
Dito lang. Yeah.
Okay.
The spiral staircase going to the rooftop. The rooftop can be used as a garage.
Parking pa tingin.
Yeah, parking area. And other functional such as parties and birthdays celebration. Oh.
You can go up a little later if you wish.
So, ito ang
Another room po.
rooms.
There's another toilet there.
1, 2, another toilet. Bedroom, another bedroom, and adjacent to the kitchen.
Now, this was a toilet that's been converted.
This is the dining room
That's here.
going through the sala, overlooking the Taal.
Toilet, seat or
It was before, but now it's used as a bar.
So, we're converted into a bar. Wow, very nice. So beautiful.
From the dining overlooking the Taal. This is the main sala of the house. Ano yan? Cityland, Condotel.
Ah, talaga?
Overlooking from the sala. From the sala overlooking the Taal Lake.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
Is this your plant, sir?
Yeah.
Ah,
These have all been disbarred. No permits. So they have made a promise to be out with the city.
ah.
So that would be a park.
Meaning they are the squatter.
Huh?
Squatter.
Yes, that's all incorrect. There's no permits.
No permit. Yeah, squatter is incorrect. No permit houses. Overlooking the garden with a lot of vegetables and bananas.
Dahil anong...
The side of the house. This is the side of the house.
Right?
Okay.
Close the door.
No, the designer of the house was Nevada. No way.
Ah,
Yes.
your wife, the one who designed the house.
Oh, she's both.
Very nice.
She's brilliant.
Very. Hindi. That's the main entrance hall. Ilan ang bedroom na to? How many bedrooms, sir?
About 6 or 7, I think it is.
6 or 7.
Ah, 6 or 7. With
Bro, take a picture.
ilan ang toilet and bath? Ay, may.
Diyan.
Dito, dito.
Kunan mo kami dalawa.
Ano kami?
Kunan mo, kunan mo.
No giggling allowed.
No giggling.
No picture allowed. Only video.
Ano, okay na?
I think this is more nicer than the other one. It seems like
It's something nice. And look at the
It looks classy. Mm-mm.
look at the view.
Mm-mm.
And the view. But there's a few little things to make, and I'll show them to you downstairs.
Ah, may stairs pa pala dyan pababa.
But you hit the nail on the head.
downstairs.
It has a lot of beauty about it.
About it.
Yeah.
Sige.
Okay.
Sige, baba na kayo lahat.
So, ilang pala pa?
From the sala, going down.
Now behind here, hello,
Still another sala
behind here
at the ground floor.
is a lot of plumbing. It's all put in. Ready. Now, this is a bathroom. No, hello, 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 hello.
This is the bathroom.
This is a bathroom. And there's something that comes to mind.
The bedroom. What's coming into your mind?
Here.
Another downstairs.
Another stair going down to, which leads us going down to another room.
This could be a lovely spa.
Yeah,
See, there's the bathroom. It's quite inexpensive. Spa in here.
yeah, we can make a spa here.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
And this room,
This is the bedroom.
this is the master's bedroom, or what?
There's things that can be done, so that's what I have to show you. Let's come in here first. This is the one where I said that you bring the pool up.
Which one?
This one.
This place?
Yeah, I'll show you outside.
Okay. Ooh.
Let's go in here first.
Where? Another bed, bathroom and bathtub.
Yes.
Bathtub.
Ang cute naman.
Bathtub.
And
Marami siyang
that can very easily have a heater. Yeah.
Oh. There's a heater.
Bathtub with a heater. Very nice.
Sorry po. Okay.
Ganda, ano?
Oo, mas maganda to, mas maganda.
Kung titignan mo eh.
Mas gusto ko.
Ako din.
Mas gusto ko.
Oh,
Kaya lang, kung di, mas maganda yung dito.
the plants crawled to the ceiling.
This one is
The problem is no watering of the plant. From the ground floor, another
Everybody?
provision for garden or a pool.
for
Garden or a pool or any other purposes. Very big.
Like to cook kilawin.
Are you not going to get that?
Sushi. The Kalawin are sushi, sir.
So you can take that one? You can get that one?
Now look.
No. Still.
Talk to my wife. Hey, look. Hey.
Di niya alam yung kilawin.
Hello.
That vegetable can be cooked as sushis.
Here's what I told you about.
Mm.
You see the safety?
Yes, the fencing of the house.
Right. Now,
How about your banana? Your banana get out of the fence.
I agree.
See, that's very big.
I
Oh,
agree.
you should
I
take it.
agree.
You should take it. It's
I
going out.
I agree.
They might get it.
I agree.
Yan yan.
Okay. Are you ready? I'll
It's already
explain.
matured.
Okay, you explain.
So you can harvest that one?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This was my suggestion.
Okay.
Earth. And it could come up high enough. See, bring that up higher.
Ah.
Bring it up high. Straight. See? Then put the wall. See?
Mm.
Very, very economical.
Yeah.
And bring the wall up.
Okay. You
And
mean
bring everything
you have
comes
to add another fence to make it higher, and then we
Bring it
can
up higher.
bring another purpose. You're like
Here's your pool.
swimming pool.
Here's your pool.
Ah.
Block it
Can
up.
become. Okay.
Block it up.
Okay.
Don't put it down below. Put it up level here.
Ah. By making the fence higher, so that we can build a swimming pool here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Correct.
So
Very
that is your plan
inexpensive.
supposed to be.
Very
Mm.
inexpensively,
Mm.
because the place is right. These are a little high, so there's it takes a little bit of savvy, right?
You mean the steps are too high? May I see?
It could be there.
Oh.
The steps are high. Look at the size of this.
Oh yeah.
It could be a nice, easy step. It needs someone who knows what they're doing.
A little renovation will do, sir.
Someone.
Someone who can do it a little bit cozy or another garden here.
Plantation.
Garden with, yung sala. Oh, sala, pwede pang sala to, yun.
Malunggay.
Ito, ay, wala na pala ako.
This has so much potential because of the view
Mhm.
of the lake that you could make this into something lovely.
Yes.
No question about it.
Mhm.
Tayo no?
That's possible.
Batangas no?
Medyo hindi lang yung mga bahay-bahay na yun.
Back door. Okay na?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Balik mo yung upuan, sir. Baka may makapasok.
Is that everybody? All right.
May lupa.
Oo nga.
Nakita niyo yun?
Oo, yung lupa. Oo.
Hindi kaya kaya na. Maano sa lupa, ano?
Ito, ay hindi, dahon pala to.
Mas maganda
Mas gusto ko to kung ako.
Maganda ang style nito.
Pwede naman lagyan to ng swimming pool dun sa likod eh. Ang laki ng provision pa eh. Expansion pa. Ayoko ng malaking bahay, nakakapagod. Uy, sarang mo yun, sir, oh. Pupunta lang ako sa roof deck. Dun sa labas.
Ito tayo sa roof. There.
Next, ah.